Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to share your PayPal link from the app. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, open PayPal. Tap the PayPal app icon, which resembles a white P on a dark blue background. This will open your PayPal page if you're logged in. If prompted to log in, enter your email address and password, and then tap Login before proceeding. If you're using an iPhone or Android that has a fingerprint ID, you may be prompted to save it instead of entering your password. Then, tap Request. It's a tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap Share your link to get paid. You will find this option near the top of the screen. Doing so brings up a menu of apps through which you can share your PayPal link. Then, select an app. Tap the app you want to use to share the link. This will open the app with your link in the Share field. Enter the contact's information if necessary. If you're sharing your link via a text or an email, for example, you will need to enter the information of the contact to whom you're sending the link. If you're sharing the link on social media, skip this step. Once you've added any necessary information to the link, tap the send or post button to share the link. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.